It has been a turbulent year for the fashion industry and supply chain. The COVID-19 pandemic has left many lives distraught and many businesses disrupted. In the same vein, it has brought about new developments, opportunities, and a new vigor to define the present future. It has reignited the spirit of togetherness and reminded us to have empathy, show care, concern, and give a helping hand to others. When cases were on the rise, the shortage of standard PPE in Africa and globally became increasingly problematic. Following the surge in COVID-19 cases in Nigeria, our immediate goal was to assemble our network to produce supplemental PPE for frontline workers, hospitals, and at-risk communities. Considering the fashion industry is one of the sectors badly hit by the pandemic, we not only wanted to contribute in supporting businesses and young entrepreneurs, but demonstrate the important role the fashion and garment sector play in curbing the crisis. With this in mind, we retooled our expertise and resources and expanded into mass manufacturing of PPE, which included hospital overalls, scrubs, and face masks through the Mask Assembly Initiative. The initiative started in early April when we raised charity donations and redirected the funds to our network of artisans, design studios, and manufacturers who worked under the safety guidelines as recommended by the WHO and Ministry of Health. This effort produced 12,000 reusable face masks in 2 weeks, which was then donated to hospitals and at-risk communities. Considering the limitation of single-use PPE and the bottlenecks faced in quality assurance, standardization, and the capacity to meet the growing demand, we went on to raise further seed funding from Africa's leading innovation platform, the Co-Creation Hub. This enabled us to set up production lines with the capacity of producing 10,000 units weekly. The Assembly has also partnered with the Nigerian Institute of Medical Research to sterilize every face mask produced and to ensure the product is as safe as can be for users. Through this expansion and partnerships, the Assembly seeks to address these limitations by leveraging interdisciplinary expertise across material science, technology, and textiles to rapidly produce and test new designs for PPE that will help to minimize the risk of exposure to infectious threats. Through it all, we are so privileged to be in this position to continue our mission, to innovate, support the growth of young talent, and contribute to the strengthening of our ecosystem.